bróga a bheith Déanta in Éirinn.
Martin, I constantly hear that, you just cannot manufacture things in Ireland, that it's not economical, it's not possible. But you seem to be proving the opposite here. You're making shoes.
Yes, that's our main line is shoes and dancing pumps for Irish dancing. We also do a range of men's wide-fitting shoes. Now, it is a tough market. There's no doubt about that, but it can be done. You had 8,000 people employed in the footwear
8,000?
In 1971 when we started up.
Was that just for Irish people or was that for export as well?
Well, a lot of the product was actually exported to the UK.
And there was 8,000 people working in shoe manufacture, and now how many would there be?
Well, I'd say there's hardly, it'd be scarce if you have 60 people working in the shoe business and at the moment,
And can you still use Irish leather and Irish products in them, or is it just being assembled here?
Irish leather is no longer tanned in the country. The actual hides are exported to the main producers, which would be in Spain and Italy and places like that. But the Irish hides are very sought after. They get a premium because they're top quality.
So they might come back here, they might go over to Europe to be...
The leather returns to us in a finished form. But, I mean, when I started in the shoe business, there was 5 tanneries in Ireland. They were all big leather producers. Massive outfits,
So all the beef we're producing in this country, and all those hides, now it just all gets exported to be processed and cured?
Yes, yeah.
So if I want some Irish made footwear for my journey around Ireland, what do you have to offer?
Well, we're making some bigger sizes this morning, so we heard that you had a fairly good sized foot, as my father would say.
A jig shoe. And that was made here?
That was made here, yeah.
An entirely Irish shoe?
An entirely Irish shoe,
I've got to try that.
Yeah.
I have to try that now.
Yeah.
Ní hiad mavróga a gluisin sibh Canagan sin ach Michael Flatley bocht ag búla a chin ag gine an balla le héad dóchas. Déirting lanoint ag rinca timp na tíre sna bróga bratha seo atá Déanta go thomláin sa tír. Ach ní hastíonn sé sin uamse ná uamhse dearan. Mar sin tá sé sucra gom léim tar aiste stachan